Hello everyone. If you are planning to buy a new Apple product today, stop right now and listen. Huge changes are coming. In this video, I will tell you everything about the new 2026 Apple lineup. We are talking about a new Apple TV with a camera, a very fast budget iPad, and super powerful Mac computers that are faster than ever before. This is going to change everything. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's get into the details. Apple TV 4K, more than just movies. The new Apple TV 4K is getting a huge upgrade with the A17 Pro chip. This means you can play high-end games just like a console. The biggest change is a built-in camera, so you can make video calls on your big TV screen easily. New Apple TV with camera and gaming. iPad 12th Gen, power for everyone. The cheapest iPad is getting a massive boost. Apple is putting the A18 chip inside, making it very fast for AI tasks. It will also support the new Apple Pencil Pro, which is great news for students and artists who want to save money. Budget iPad with Pro features. HomePod Mini 2, better sound and smarter Siri. The small HomePod Mini is finally getting an update. It looks the same on the outside, but inside it has a new brain called the S9 chip. This makes Siri much faster and makes the music sound deeper and clearer. Smarter HomePod Mini 2. Mac Studio, the king of performance. For people who do heavy work, the new Mac Studio is coming with the M5 Ultra chip. It is designed to be faster than the best PC graphics cards. Whether you are editing 4K videos or doing 3D work, this machine will be a beast. Super fast M5 Mac Studio. Data safety, protecting your privacy. As we use more gadgets, protecting our personal information is very important. Companies often try to sell your data, so using a service to delete your info from the internet is a smart move. Always keep your digital life safe and private. That is all for today's Apple update. Which of these products are you most excited to buy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.